I'm recording you. I want you to tear that window out as fast as you can, both of them. Come on, you're 18 seconds in, man. How fast are you going to be? Get both of them out. Hurry up. 18 to 29 seconds in. How long is it going to take you to tear out 2 windows? You gotta pop that lock, man. 1 minute in. You gotta pop the lock. One minute, 25 seconds. Oliver, you got these 2 windows ready to go in this hole? Not right now. Take the window out and lay it down. Put this one in. Come on, man. Unstrap them. Get one strap. Get it ready to go in. Get that window over here. Get it ready to go in. Go pop that lock. Could be a thief. But you're not. Come on, bring some bitch over and put it in the hole. Set it in there, Oliver.
Hold on, I'm hung up. I hook that string, Oliver. I hook that string.
Time's money. Push the bottom in, Oliver. Good. Grab that other window, put it in real quick. Come on, 3 minutes, 20 seconds, man. Let's go. You're behind 2 minutes. Hang on, let me get that piece out of there. Sorry. You got it in too far at the bottom. Good. Hurry up, get this other window, get it ready, going in the hole. I'm gonna put this on YouTube, man, so do it as fast as you can. What is that? That's the same size, isn't it?
Oh, thank you.
Hey, grab that window, put it in that hole.
Which window?
That one you just had in your hand. He's jerking it out right now. I think.
Yeah, I had to put their lamp down.
Be careful when you put it in. It ain't got no side stops or top stops. You hear me? So it ain't gonna stop on the inside.
We continue to go.
Yeah. Get the top in there.
Like that?
Good. 5 minutes, 56 seconds.
These two are going to be fun wrapping.
Yep.
Yeah. That's some good hardwood there. Good job, man.
I'm telling you.
Huh?
I'm telling you.
Man.
Got another one right here too. I've always wanted to do this.
Huh?
I've always wanted to do this.
Oh,
I just want to know how long it's going to take us to stick in 9 windows. 7 minutes, 8 minutes now. Gotta pop that lock. Every minute that he's working at this rate, he's making $5 every minute. Not really. Seen that?
Huh?
I hit you down the chisel with your hammer claw.
Yeah, I was getting ready to, wasn't I?
You got some wood on the left side over there. It ain't come out yet, so it's gonna affect you. It may affect it. If it don't, it don't. If it does, it does. I ain't worried about it. Oliver, come here. Yep. We don't slave drive. We just do it as a system. We got a system going. That's how we do things. And we put windows in faster than any other window company in the United States. Good tight fit.